Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video we have added the muzzle flash, as you can see, and we have the impact effect. So currently we are able to shoot as fast as we can click the mouse left button. Normally you want to have a limit on how quickly you can shoot a rifle, and also we want a mag, or you can say magazine system in our rifle. So in this video we will add a limit on how quickly we can shoot. And as you can see right now, our rifle is in single shot. When we press the left mouse button, as you can see, it shoots. It is not a automatic rifle, so we don't want that. We want a automatic rifle. For that we will open up the rifle script, and right here we will define a fire charge. Okay, it means that in a short period of time how many shots we can fire. Okay, so for that right here we will create a public float, and let's name this as fire charge, and by default this will be equals to 15 units. After this, right here inside this rifle ammunition and shooting, we will create a private float, and let's name this as next time to shoot, and let's equal this to 0f for now. After this, right here inside this if condition, we will check if the player presses the fire button and our current time is greater than or equals to the next time to shoot, okay, which is 0f. So if the current time is greater than or equals to the next time to shoot, then we want to shoot. But the catch right here is that we also want to set the next time to shoot. We will equal this to our current time, so we will type time.time, then plus 1 divided by the fire charge. So now this means that if our fire charge is 5, then we are going to add 1 divided by 5, which is 0.2 onto our current time, and so we are going to shoot in intervals of zero point 0.2 seconds, or you can say 0.2 seconds. So right here, as you can see, our fire charge is 15f, and now if we divide 1 by 15, then as you can see it is 0.06, so the fire charge will be 0.06, and we are going to shoot in the interval of 0.06 seconds. So the greater the fire rate, the less time between shots. Okay, I hope you get the logic behind this fire charge. So now let's just save this, and before moving forwards we need to remove this get button down. Okay, we need to remove that down from there, because this means that we will have to press the button again and again in order to shoot, and this get button means that we need to just hold the button and it will shoot continuously. But as you can see, now we have the fire charge apply, so it will shoot in intervals. So now basically this will fire in the raycast automatically, or you can say now our rifle is automatic. So just save this now, get back to Unity, and if we now check the Tommy gun, as you can see we have the fire charge right there. So now let's play the game, and you will notice now if we hold down the left mouse button, as you can see it fires in automatic mode, as you can see. And let me minimize this. Now if you fire, as you can see now, And if we change the fire charge to 5 for example, okay, and let's play the game. And now as you can see, it shoots the bullet really slow. Now if we change it to for example 1, and you will notice when we hold down the button, as you can see, it now fires even more slower. So the bigger the fire charge, the more you will be able to shoot automatically. So now change it to 15 again, and you will notice that now we can fire automatically. And this was it for this video, and in the next video we will add the animation for shooting the rifle. As you can see, now it looks really bad like this, as you can see. So we will definitely add animations in the upcoming video. For that, catch you guys in the next video.